Hi everyone, I'm Raghu. I've been associated with Aspire Systems for over 15 years and my entire career has been in retail domain. Today, I lead the Oracle retail practice here at Aspire. During this journey, I have had the privilege of working with global retailers across different regions, giving me deep insights into how retail operates and transforms worldwide. With cloud and AI reshaping retail at rapid pace, it has created a great learning curve for me in this space, and that's what keeps this journey interesting. Working on Oracle Retail as Aspire is exciting for three key reasons. Firstly, it's deeply aligned with retail domain. The work directly improves how retailers plan, sell, and operate, driving better availability, improved margins, and faster decision making. Second, I could think of retailers are rapidly moving to Oracle Retail Cloud Services, which keep teams at forefront of SaaS delivery models, scalable extensions, continuous rollout cycles, so the learning curve is always strong. Thirdly, Aspire brings an engineering and innovation culture, accelerators, reusable frameworks, automation, cloud native experimentation, enabling faster implementations and measurable value for global retailers. And finally, the teams gets hands-on experience working with advanced technologies and collaborating closely with retailers' business teams. The mix of modern tech and retail business partnership builds strong depth and broader leadership perspective. AI is redefining every touch point in retail. Let me put it this way. Retail runs on fast decisions: what to stock, how to price, where to allocate inventory, how to respond to demand shifts. AI is transforming this by improving forecasting, replenishment, risk detection, and decision recommendation across the retail lifecycle. But AI does not replace business judgment, it strengthens it. The best outcome comes when business teams use AI insights with context and experience to make the final decisions. That's where AI becomes a real advantage. At Aspire, it's exciting and motivating because the pace of change pushes us to continuously learn and adapt. Through our retail innovation lab and AI factory, we build AI driven solutions that support retail outcomes and also improve how we deliver, from requirement discovery to development and testing. It keeps the work modern, fast moving, and high impact. At Aspire, we follow a structured enablement model to build a strong retail capability. For freshers, we focus on creating a solid foundation, retail domain understanding, Oracle retail basics, core technical skills, and cloud readiness so they can quickly become project ready. For experienced professionals, we drive specialization, deep training across retail portfolios, cloud native development, DevOps, and AI/ML tracks, supported by innovation labs, POCs, and leadership program. The goal is simple: continuous learning that helps every aspirant grow from foundation to specialization to leadership in retail technology. My advice to someone starting in retail is simple: learn the domain and stay curious. Retail changes fast because customer behavior and technology keep evolving. Start by picking one or two core portfolios like merchandising or planning or inventory or store operations and build depth there. You will grow quickly because you'll start thinking with a business mindset, not just a technology mindset. Retail technology offers a clear global career paths from analyst roles to solution leadership and architecture. Thank you.